Hey guys, this is Pat again at Rain Country. God is good all the time. And today it seems like I've been working quite a bit on the wood lathe, so I was going to turn a couple of pieces on the wood lathe here for Patty Hayden, one of our viewers out there that wants mortar and pestle. I know we have videos out there on mortar and pestle, but I thought I would maybe do a couple different shots at the wood lathe here, and for those of you who are interested in seeing what we do here, or seeing some different, if you're learning how to turn wood, couple different angles might help you to get started and have fun doing it. So anyway, I already have the pieces cut out for the mortar and pestle. I have my blank cut for the bowl portion, and so I already have the table all set up for getting going here. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking here and get zoomed in on a couple of things, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Finished another mortar and pestle, and this one here was specifically for Patty Hayden. So Patty, I hope you enjoy your new mortar and pestle. It's very beautiful. It's made out of maple and finished off with beeswax and coconut oil. So when you go to use it, keep putting more coconut oil and beeswax on there. If you don't have any beeswax, just coconut oil will be fine, just to protect the wood. And so this has a little bit of curly maple in it. Very figured, very interesting grain. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Appreciate all your support and you guys watching us. So take care and God bless.